Alright guys, good evening. As of December, what is today? December 17, 8:29 p.m. So just an update from December 15. So we're not able to upload for few days, but from the December 15 last video, we marked these levels from 1 hour demand. We are looking for 1 hour demand to reject the price. And also we marked some FVG here. But unfortunately, when we enter a trade here, the SL was hit. So yeah, so one of the lessons here is that to make sure, we need to better break the structure. I think for safety in the 1 hour at least, and then look for the 15-minute break so it will match safe enter. All right, so yeah, that's why we are hit the SL, and also it's because possible there's a high impact as well during that time. So yeah, though the high impact is that the USD is red or negative, we're expecting the price for USD is going down, but the price still moved down for a bit sometimes and move up. So it's trigger first the SL, then it move up. Yeah, so that's what happened from December 15. So today, December 17, we mark levels from the 1 hour. There's 1 hour here. It break the structure from this level actually. Yeah, here. So we're looking for a buy, but we still have a doubt because in 4 hour the price still in the range mode. All right, the price is still ranging for the 1 hour. So that's why we are still unsure for the price, which direction. So the safetiest entry is that better to reject the 4 hour, this level and maybe this level. But as we see also here from 1 hour, we see the 1 hour breaker structure. We have the SNR levels. So, and then the price is still in the middle. So it's not safe to enter a trade or look for a setup. We need to break this level and this level for better analyze of setup. So yeah, so for now we don't want to force any trade, and let's just wait for the price doing. So yeah, so for now at this time we don't have any setup yet, so we just observe the price and use alert for the SNR level. All right, that's it for today guys. Thank you, bye.